You should come during the summertime then, or winter time, because it's not winter yet.
Almaty is like youngster hub.
So I was here with my family, so we couldn't do like the crazy stuff, going to Charyn Canyon.
A lot of Americans, a lot of Western people, they come here and then they're like, wow, this is like Soviet style architecture, something unique, something beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back. This is the new episode on Jetil Podcast and its host as usually me, Madee Fazl is back. Especially for today's episodes, we have invited our guests from Saudi Arabia and India doing the special episodes, collaborating with Almaty Visit. Special thanks for them. As usual, our second host, Aidos, is back.
The professional dragon slayer, international. Yeah, I'm back, baby.
Great, bro.
How's everybody doing? Shout out to Visit Almaty, man, for this
How are you,
beautiful
bro?
location. I'm good. Yes, you can see, man, I'm always good.
Good. Always with your glasses.
Yeah, because I have allergies, man.
Okay, all right, that's good.
Yeah, so that this way I don't see any negativity, just keep it positive,
Good.
All right.
That's
Hey,
great.
welcome, guys. We have Wehad.
Yeah.
I wanted to say that. We had.
We had fun.
Yep. Then we have Kunal.
Guys, you're welcome.
Welcome to Kazakhstan.
Thank you
welcome
so
to
much for
Almaty.
Thank you
having
for
us.
the invite.
Yeah. How you been doing?
Really amazing, really great.
It's been like fifth day or
Fifth day, yeah,
fifth day. So
in Kazakhstan.
how much fun you had during this 5 days?
Oh, that's
It was pretty intense.
really intense. I mean, I've been to Kazakhstan before, but we've seen something imagined here.
Wow, wow. And you, Kunal?
It's my 4th day
Yeah.
in Almaty. And to be honest, I'm just in love with the city. Generally, people go to sleep like after 9 p.m.
Yeah.
They prefer go to sleep. I'm the only guy in the whole gang who goes for the trip. I
Wow.
come back at 3, 4 in the morning. I just sleep for 2 hours and I just want to explore the nightlife and how it looks Almaty.
Wow.
So that's the main thing. So for me, company doesn't matter if someone is there or not. I just go and explore the streets and click pictures. And as a profession, I'm a DOP, direction of photography and cinematography. So I like to click pictures and all. So each and every corner of Almaty is so beautiful that I would love to visit again and again. And next time I will get my all friends
Wow.
for the
he's the
nightlife,
ambassador.
especially.
Yeah, so you're the only
Kazakhstan.
one who goes out after 9 p.m.
Sorry?
You're the only one who goes
Yeah,
out.
yeah. I mean, from the group.
We'll talk later, bro.
Okay.
After this thing.
Yeah.
Look at them mistreating you, man. You should have,
Let's
you
go,
should have, yeah. Somebody should take him out. Exactly. Yeah, so, all right.
So we had, Kunal, what do you do in general?
Yeah.
What do you do for a living? Tell us a little bit about that.
So I'm a travel influencer. I know this is my second job, so I have an official job.
Yeah.
It started as like just traveling for memory, creating videos for a memory-wise. However, I fell in love. I used to study in France for 3 years and a
Wow.
half. So that was my first point as a solo traveler. Then I started to give tips and advice to people, and I got really into it.
Wow, amazing. So you studied in France for 3 years.
And a half, yes,
That was a bachelor or master?
for a master degree.
For a master.
Oh, nice.
Wow. And tu parles français, oui?
Oui, je parle français, bien sûr.
Ouais, bien sûr, bien sûr. J'ai la femme d'Algérie.
Oh,
Je parle français aussi, oui.
c'est bien.
Yeah.
Et tu parles arabe et
Oui,
français et
arabe,
anglais. J'ai
l'espagne.
Kazakh.
Oui, oui.
Around
C'est bon, c'est très bon.
8 or 9.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's really amazing.
Yeah, that's why we're starting the podcast with different guests from all the countries. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, so that you can say anything bad about our country.
You have
know-
a translator.
I
Right?
know 6, 7 languages, he knows 8.
Yeah.
So together, we can spot any spy. And any
Absolutely.
negative comment.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
true.
I'm just
So
joking.
Kunal, tell us about yourself. What do you do?
So I'm a cinematographer slash DOP. So I shoot brand contents for influencers and Bollywood actors in India. And I'm doing it from last 5 years. So first I was into photography and now I recently shifted to videos. So it's going great. Like
Yeah.
working with different people, like getting to know about their culture, because India is very diverse city. Like it has different languages, more than 30 languages is spoken in India. There are different states and different cuisines, and you will find many more culture in every corner. So it's like a mixture of everything. So working with all different peoples, it's really amazing, and always you get to learn more from them. Even like if you visit any place, it's really amazing. So yeah, so that's how it helps me in evolving myself and upgrading myself in each thing.
In this field, right?
Yeah.
You know, photography is a specific field that's kind of developed in all over the world. In Kazakhstan, the field of photography specifically, it's gaining more and more like influence and gaining more, you know.
Man, I think it's a different breed of people who can see through the lenses. Because we miss a lot of the beauty.
Yeah,
I mean,
why I'm saying that is because video and photography is like the different spheres, and then the photography.
If you can do both, that would be someone like you, you know.
Yeah.
You do both, French and Arabic. Look at you being proud sitting there. Listen, I have a question for Wehad. Since this is your second time in Kazakhstan, right? So tell us how was your first time like? What was the wow? What was the good thing? What was the bad thing?
Yeah, and how different it is from this
how
time.
different. And then the second time.
So the first time, I don't have anything bad to say because I was wowed. Suddenly I landed here and I saw the mountains from the hotel. It was really, really amazing. So I was here with my family, so we couldn't do like the crazy stuff, going to Charyn Canyon, but I did go to Shambulak and skied there, so it was extremely amazing. And the thing about Kazakhstan, they have different features, landscapes features. So you have like the mountains, the lakes, the dunes, the canyons. So I told myself that next time I'm going to bring all my camera equipment and I'm going to fly my drone and see the landscape from above.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
That's because God was confused when he was creating Kazakhstan. He was like, what about we put these Asian people? Let me give them a little bit of everything, except nice beaches. We don't have no ocean, man. I would love.
But you can leave the oceans to us, so you have everything. You have the mountains, you have the dunes.
Yeah.
At least give us the beaches.
Yeah, we can switch. Actually, we can switch places. I can stay at the beach forever, man. But
then you will be welcomed in Saudi.
Yes,
you should visit in Yom.
Yeah. But mountains, bro, like mountains are something specific.
But you know something about mountains, when you stay outside for a long time, you miss it. You miss the mountains for some reason. I don't know. I think maybe our ancestors in me, or the wildness calling something. It's just you just want to go back home and then get on the mountains and yell. I don't know. I have that feeling. Yeah, for some reason, but I don't admit it. I still.
You have to be proud because this is something amazing here in Kazakhstan.
Yeah.
Some people wish to have these mountains.
I always tell Madee that we don't cherish what we have, man. Like it's. We have American guys coming and then going and seeing some weird random places that we don't even care about. Yeah. And he's like, and he's so surprised. Wow, this is amazing. He's like, what, really? Like, are you like pranking us? Or
especially about the architecture.
Yeah.
A lot of Americans, a lot of Western people, they come here and then they're like, wow, this is like Soviet-styled architecture. It's something unique, something beautiful.
Soviet modernism.
A lot of them go to Green Bazaar.
Yeah.
Have you
Yes, we visited it.
They go to.
It's like salam alaikum, salam alaikum.
Yes, and then they're like, wow, that's so unique, that's so beautiful. Why don't you guys appreciate that? And for us, as for being locals here, it's like, well, do you get surprised with all this? But this is actually something beautiful.
Yeah, I've been there probably 7 or 8 times. I'm 35, so how would you guys like about Green Bazaar?
Yeah, Green Bazaar. Yeah, you go.
Please.
Yeah, Green Bazaar was really a different experience, to be honest. Like under one shade, you get everything. And to be honest, people were very grateful and they were greeting. Like they just figure it out. Like, okay, this guy is Indian. Okay, so it's like, Mithun Chakravarti, come here, Jimmy, and Amitabh Bachchan. So they all just recognize everyone. Like if someone is from different country, they just guess it in 1 or 2 go. Like, okay, this people belongs from this country, and they are very much like, they just they offer things like, okay, you taste this, don't buy it, you just taste it. So that is a very greeting, which I felt it's
welcoming atmosphere.
Yeah, it's very welcoming.
Do you guys see that Dutch cafe upstairs? There's
No, we
the
went
cafe-
straight through the horse milk.
Oh, okay. Horse milk. All right. There's a guy from Netherlands
Netherlands.
that has a cafe upstairs, second floor.
Okay.
I don't know why he chose that location, but it's like pretty famous. People go there to have coffee.
Yeah.
I would never, I would never
Guess about
guess
this
that
location,
this
right?
location. And then like,
And
now-
there's a sushi shop, I think, next to it.
really?
Yeah.
And you see, this is really confusing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird.
But
But
that's something that attracts people from all over the world.
and for that people are calling you guys, hey, Jimmy, and all that stuff. That's how we are, man. I'm sorry if it offends you, but that's how we are. And
Yeah.
I also trick people when I go out, go abroad, and then they assume that I'm from somewhere else. They think that I speak Russian. They start speaking to me in Russian anywhere I go, and then I start speaking in Chinese. Just confuse the hell out of them. It's like, he's from China, and then I say, no, I tricked you. It's Russian. You can do that here easily, since they like to have fun. You guys are free, and you guys are under our protection here, no problem.
Of course, 7
Especially
languages,
Kunal,
we are
because Kunal,
protected.
Yeah.
he's my type of guy. He's the only guy. I'm the same. If I go somewhere in a group,
Is it?
I'm the one who will like to go.
Okay, then
do something
definitely
like
we
that.
need to connect tonight
Yeah.
because yesterday I'm flying back.
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about this. Is the first guest probably who touched upon the topic of nightlife in Almaty.
Yeah, man.
Tell us
like nobody cares about
Have you
nightlife.
already tried some nightclubs here? Going out there?
I haven't tried the nightclubs, but the one thing which I would like to highlight,
Yeah.
it's very safe. Being a tourist and who doesn't know the language of the local language of here, and visiting throughout, it's very safe. Like I didn't felt for a second or like 10% also that I am like under some, I can get into a trouble or someone is going to rob. So I think so. The crime rate is very less, and that is one thing which feels tourist like we are very safe over here.
Yeah.
It's in
And-
the air, right? You can feel the safeness. Well, it's definitely safer than Paris. I can
Yeah.
Yeah,
tell
of
you.
course, 100%. I wanted to add because he's talking from a guy's perspective, but
Yeah.
last year when I came here with my family, we were 4 girls,
Yeah.
and we walked at night like 10 or 11 p.m. It was extremely safe. And we went from one street to another, the lights are all on, people are outside, it felt really comfortable.
Absolutely. I'm
That's nice.
aware that in a lot of Arab countries, because my wife is from Algeria, and she says that for women it's very well, it's not safe, but it's just like prohibited to get out during the late time, because why is she walking alone and something like that. But here it's like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, midnight, people go out and then they just walk like.
And I think that is specifically for North Africa, but in
Maybe.
the Gulf,
Yeah.
until 4 p.m., 4 a.m., we're still out.
Especially
Oh, wow.
Saudi, man.
Yes.
Like since I think 2018, they start driving and stuff. Saudi is.
We never sleep.
Wow.
When the sun goes down, we go out.
That's cool.
Because you go to a Gulf country, it's always
Hot.
Arabs are missing. So it's all the immigrants, and so where the Arabs at, man? They come out at night.
At night, because it's extremely hot in the
Yeah,
morning.
They just after 8 p.m. You'll see them having breakfast.
Exactly.
having
And
coffees,
coffee at
having tea.
midnight. It's
Wow.
It's
that's amazing.
but I understand them. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Also about Saudi, man. Actually, I really like that project you guys have in AlUla. I think the glass.
Yeah, the
building.
glass.
Do you think we should do it in Kazakhstan?
Oh, yeah.
Right?
It would be
Bro.
really amazing because what the mirror will do is do
Yeah.
landscape.
You have to do it in Charyn Canyon side.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, I've been telling everybody, man. Somebody has to do it in Almaty because we have that the potential, the place, the views, and then if you can get somewhat that hotels in AlUla they have, like it's like you go back to the Middle Ages with the perfect service.
Yeah,
I think that would be something
absolutely.
nice. Yeah. What about the line you guys have, the project, the
It's
Crown
in
Prince?
progress.
That's
People thinking that it's a scam, but it's actually under construction right now.
I want it to be under construction. Please do it.
No, it is under construction. You can actually see it.
Yes, it is crazy, man. Like
Really?
they're so ambitious.
It's like a whole city as a line.
Just
Wow.
one line. imagine you come visit me, you get out, and then you just get on the.
And
this,
it's all about the solar system.
top speed,
That's
whatever they have, the subway or the train. You just get on it, bullet train.
Yeah,
boom,
that's
come
super
to me.
modern. That's super modern, and that's amazing. Have you ever heard about the project we are planning to execute? Alatau, the city Alatau, super tech city
Yeah.
nearby Almaty.
Yeah, I hope they'll succeed also, man.
Yeah, because
But
yeah, and our government is planning to build up a new city, like a wholly new city, in order to fight against the how do we say that overcrowding population in Almaty. So to get some of the people there, and then
Actually, Almaty is not crowded at all. It is not crowded.
Yeah, but
Almaty is actually or it was meant for 700,000 population, but now we have 3 million living.
Oh,
the
believe me,
beginning.
you have like a large spacious streets and
yeah, but
streets and no traffic at all.
Oh my God! Yeah, well, yeah.
You see how foreigners.
And also, Almaty
foreigners
traffic is
view
nothing.
towards
But
traffic.
if you consider within Kazakhstan, Almaty has the worst traffic
Yeah,
and worst air quality.
the air polluted. Yeah.
I mean, when we are coming here, they said we need more than 30 minutes to be here. It's the traffic, and
Yeah.
there is no traffic. I mean, we came here like 5 minutes.
Yeah, you see.
30 minutes in Saudi, it's 5 minutes.
This is 30 minutes. This is like a normal grocery shopping.
That's how perspective changes.
Also,
like.
I have a question then, Kunal, since you're the guy who is going like outside more than others, since they're sleeping, and then you've been spending money at daytime and nighttime. So how much you spend? How much like you spending here daily? What's the budget? Do you think it's expensive? Do you think it's
To be honest, it's very affordable.
Yeah.
And like the things around Almaty is very different. So the nightlife, I haven't explored yet, like the clubbing thing. But yeah, I have tried many cuisines and like the scooty. The scooty thing is very fab. Like I took for one night, I went around the streets
Wow.
and visited it. But yeah, it is freaking cold at night. For me, a guy who
You gotta be
stays
careful though.
yeah, for me, a guy who stays in 30 degrees Celsius, and for us, winters is max to max 20 degree. And
Celsius.
in
20 is
Mumbai,
winter.
yeah, in winters it's 20 degree. Max, I like it goes minimum to 20. So for me, it's like coming here, and in Almaty it goes till -1, -2.
Yeah.
So that's the more thrilling part for me to experience. The climate at night.
Oh my God.
And it's very empty. It feels like you are in some movie set. Like there is no one. It's just you. So you can document yourself whatever you want to.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You
So
should
that's
try
why
it.
he's always late in the morning, because he's exploring Almaty in that
I sleep
night.
only for 2 hours, max to max 3 hours.
You should
That's
you should come during the summertime then, or winter time, because it's not winter yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna
So
go down
in
to
Jan?
-15. It's
Oh my
like
God.
-10.
I've been here in
February.
Yeah, so it was extremely snowing. It's -15, and it was amazing.
Yeah.
It's nice actually.
Yeah,
It's
it's
very
really,
We're
really
gonna-
nice.
But yeah, well, we're gonna. Well, so it's pretty cheap then. It's not so expensive in
Yeah,
Almaty.
it's very affordable. It's like people can come easily and they can spend at.
Yeah, I
like-
think it's
yeah,
affordable to
at max
everyone.
they can spend it out.
And guys, in general, how many countries you've been to? Before?
This is my fourth.
Fourth country.
Yeah, and I'm planning one more on 20th. I'm going to Bali. So just now I started traveling, like because I was also into brand content shooting for the influencers and all. So now I also decided to start travel and experience the world throughout.
Wow.
So yeah,
That's a whole
That's
new thing, yeah, for you.
How about you?
Wehad?
We had probably
42.
42.
Wow.
All right, that's
Impressive.
okay.
Now, we probably should ask you about your experience, right, traveling. You've been to so many countries. Comparing all them, what Kazakhstan is unique for? How do you think? What is the unique part of Kazakhstan? Like the
So
first thing that
in
comes to
each
mind.
country, they have their own uniqueness. But as I said, Kazakhstan has all the environment and activities. I mean, they have mountains, you have dunes, you have greens, you have the lakes.
Yeah.
So in one country, you can actually experience all of these.
Absolutely.
That's our uniqueness.
Yeah, that's
like,
how really
diversity.
it's unique. Yes.
Yeah. Have you, by the way, traveled? I'm talking about tried the ethno-tourism here? No?
Yes, I
Yeah, you
did. I went to the ethno village here.
Wow.
Okay.
It was really amazing with the horse riding and wow.
Did you
And all
like
the authenticity and the nomad lifestyle. And we went actually to New York and we ate there with them.
Wow.
This was really, really amazing.
Yeah, absolutely.
What would you recommend us to, improve, maybe in the service area, or, doesn't matter what didn't you like about Almaty?
Just one thing, Lake Kennedy or Kaindy Lake.
Lake
Kaindy,
yeah.
Kaindy, yeah.
Just the route.
Oh,
road.
all right.
Yeah, because
Infrastructure.
yeah, only that. It's because the elder people or the special needs who wants to actually see the lake, they couldn't. And it's an amazing lake with all the trees inside. I mean, since last year I wanted to go there and I couldn't. But this year it was.
That's how we filter the tourists, trying to keep them at the
But
low.
actually, whoever without the special need, it's actually really fun to go there, ride in the car and then the horses
It's
to go
jumpy,
there.
bumpy, and like that, right? The roads.
It's amazing.
Yeah. I think that's something also exclusive. Yeah, sure. We have to provide the proper infrastructure in order to get there, but also, going there by horses.
Yes.
It's also something I'd say like.
It's an
exotic.
experience, yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, all right. Yeah, roads. Okay. How about you, Kunal? What would you improve? in
I'm
Almaty?
good with language. Firstly, language.
Language.
There is a language barrier.
Yeah.
I feel so because people generally speak Russian and the local language over here. So slightly, if basic English would be there, then it would be great. And I'm that guy from the group who is a pure vegetarian, as one of my team member mentioned it.
You were out because you were hungry, man. You guys were not feeding him, I was like, man, forget these guys. Let me go eat. I'll find it.
Where's my scooter? Let me find some veggies.
Yeah, so yeah, that's it. The communication barrier, that's it. And the second, vegetarian food.
Yeah.
Like I visited many restaurants, but I got hardly one dish at each place, which I can have it by my own self. So yeah, but it was only struggling for 2 days. Rest of the days I figure it out, like what I have to eat, and how I can mix and match the things. Like generally there is a bread over here. I don't know the names. I'm very bad with the names. So there is a bread
That's
like
your
circle.
survival instincts kicked in. Like now this is what we need to do to stay alive.
Exactly. First 2 days I was like, I can manage. Later I was like, I can't manage. I need to have something. So there is a puff bread which you guys have. So what I did, I was only able to get potatoes. So I used to stuff inside it. Basically a Subway. I was making a Subway from mix matching 2-3 dishes and getting it for me. So that's how I survive. And later on I figured out that eggplant. So we Indians, our diet is like chapati, it's a roti, it's like a Indian bread, and we have a sabji, like it's a vegetable, it's very of gravy and thick. So that is our main go-to food.
Yep.
So I figured out, okay, the eggplant tastes the same and the texture and the quality how it is required is the same, and I just mix it with the bread and ate it. So that's how I was surviving here. And for the pizza, I had pizza and all, but I was like, okay, I'm done, because the only option for me, it was margherita pizza. That's it.
Yeah.
So 1-2 days it was okay, but yeah, I discovered that I love cheesecake a lot. It gives me a next level of energy.
True.
So
I can confirm that.
Yeah. Adapted then.
So that's it. And more thing, I feel so Almaty is like youngster hub, you can say, because it has n number of universities. I guess it has more than 20, I guess.
Yeah.
And all are college going people, and Almaty can be the next thing which people will love to discover, because it has each and everything. You just name it, they have it.
You're right.
If you want to go to the mountains, within an hour you will be in the mountains. If you want to go to the man-made things like skyscrapers and monuments, you go within 1 hour. Within 1 hour you can place over there. If you want to go to the lakes, you can go over there also. It's like all colors, Charyn Canyons, red color, then white color with lakes and all, mountains. Then you have man-made things, and even you have great malls, like luxurious malls I recently visited. So it's like it has everything, each and everything. You just name it, you have it over here. And next time I'm planning East Kazakhstan. Like it's very incredible. I saw a few reels which had sunflower field, like for 1 or 2 kilometers long. And even there is a snow thing. I'm not sure what it was, but the reel was very perfect.
Okay.
That's cool.
Oh, that's
What
good,
about
actually.
you just touched upon another big topic is shopping.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you guys went to malls already?
Last year, but
Last year,
Yeah.
not this year. Not this
Last year,
Last year, yeah.
okay, got
we
it.
have 4 girls.
4 girls. So what do you
That's
expect
what they
4
do.
girls
4
will
girls.
do?
Always.
Where's the first mall would a girl go to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Esentai.
Yeah,
Yes,
of course.
in
Oh, she's aware.
She's aware. Of course, she's aware.
Oh, she's from Saudi, of course.
She landed. She asked, "Where's the mall, please?
yeah.
The luxury one."
I'm a girl. I have to do girl things.
Absolutely.
Well, yeah. Do you think how's the service here in our malls? Is it like somewhat different from your country?
Actually, the service is great here. And people are extremely friendly. Even if he said there's a language barrier, people will just give me the translator. You will not go from here until I give you all the instructions you need.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, in a Sentai, of course, everyone is welcoming.
No, even the other malls as well. I went to Mega Mall, I think it's
Mega
called.
Mall,
Yeah. And there's also a third mall, but I forgot the name. I went to last year as well.
That's cool. No, it's always nice to hear such comments, right? When
Yeah, man, of
foreigners
course,
comment and the
of
way
course.
they make
There's a
experience.
mall actually next to the statue of the apple. I forgot the name of it.
Oh,
Statue of the Apple.
Yeah,
I don't remember
in Almaty.
quite.
All right.
Oh, Almaty.
Dostik? No.
Dostik, yes.
Dostik Mall.
Yeah.
Dostik.
Dostik Plaza. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good mall. I like
Yeah.
that one. I like that one.
Yeah, the prices here are pretty much
Yeah, how about the prices? by
No,
way,
the
in mall?
prices is less than Saudi, to be
Less than
honest.
Saudi.
Yes.
It is,
Because I
actually.
think the tax is a little different.
Actually, it's the same with Dubai, man. I used to think it's cheaper there, but then I compare,
almost
it's like
the
actually
same,
cheaper here.
Yeah, it's cheaper here.
It's probably we are closer to Europe, no, but I think now Dubai is pretty close to Europe also. Well, whatever the reason is, girls are happy anywhere.
Just give us the shopping mall.
Especially,
Absolutely.
yeah, we had is happy anywhere, I think.
Give me a shopping mall and a meat, and that's it. I'm a Saudi.
That's cool. Yeah, we have recently a lot of guests from Middle East, from Gulf countries who are coming, who are like experiencing not only the sightseeings but also like shopping malls.
I've
pretty much
noticed,
luxurious.
Gulf countries tourists, they like to go
builds.
to this wilderness. I've seen some reels on IG. Some Arab guys were dressed as Kazakh traditional clothes, riding horses. This type of content. It is beautiful,
Yeah.
and they actually look really good in our,
Yeah.
traditional clothes.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
They go to Kyrgyzstan, they go to Kazakhstan. Now I think it's our time to shine, right?
Absolutely.
It's like this. The world map was closed, especially on it was like this, closed on Central Asia. Now it's like, you know what? We have some places
We have
here.
some lands here.
And it's the 9th largest country.
Biggest
I mean,
country,
you have like
It
an
is.
amazing landscapes.
It is. We have a lot of empty places too. We are willing. It would be nice to have a line here, like right in the middle of Kazakhstan, from east to west.
Yeah.
We can help with that.
Please, especially
Yeah.
with the infrastructure,
That's true.
Yeah.
And I don't know, like if you want this segment to be added, but the dating culture is really good in Kazakhstan. Yeah, like being a single person, I was recommended by someone that you should install dating apps,
Yep.
and it's great. Like,
It's a very good person. Who is
they-
that? I don't tell you that. It's a very
Do
good
they
guy.
function well, actually?
Yeah.
I
Don't
went
act
on 2
like
dates
you don't
also.
know. You don't act
We're all
like you don't know
married
this dating
for
apps.
3 months now.
You see, he changed since he married. He's like, no, what are the dating apps working here? Of course they work. Tinder, right? You're on Tinder.
Tinder and Bumble. Yeah.
And what?
Bumble.
Bumble. You see, I don't know that Bumble.
I don't get. I think so. You know it well.
I'm an old
He
married
knows
guy.
it well.
He knows
He knows
everything,
better
but
than
he's
me.
just trying to be very much
Yeah.
like, no.
Yeah. That's true.
Well, I'm usually the bad cop. He's the good cop in our podcast. But you see, I don't like the
Well,
way he's
when you
acting.
said the dating app, both of you are a bad cop. So
High five.
Yeah, high five. Yeah, you guys won. We'll give you that because you are guests. Not next time, though. Not next time. Okay, so what did you find? Who did you find? I'm sorry. Who did you find on this dating?
Okay, I went on 2 dates.
Already? You see,
Yeah.
4 days in Kazakhstan, and this guy.
Okay, so like the dating app and the culture is very fast in Kazakhstan. Like people like agree to meet so soon. In India, it's like a
takes
government
forever.
process. It takes at least 1 month. Like first you're on a talking stage, then you talking stage, I mean chatting stage. Then you get a contact numbers, IG. Then it's like a whole process which is like 1 to 2 months. It's like no that much
Well, you see,
time.
our women, they like to get to business straight. We don't like this chit chat talking. They say, "What's your intention? Let's go straight to it. Let's go. What do you want? You want to get married? You want a relationship? Whatever it is, real quick. You know,
Yeah.
So like your
chit-chat.
face is straight.
Yeah, date. We're going on a date. We don't like to because, you know,
Yeah.
she's chatting with you, she's hungry and she wants to buy something, whatever. I would be like that if I was a girl. Like, why is he keep talking? Like, what are we doing? Come on, yes or no? Take me out, eat, and then let me talk. Let me see you. Who are you? That's
Yeah.
how we think.
Yeah, like I really liked it because within a day they were ready to meet.
Yeah.
And I just wanted a company who can explore me the city because I don't know much about things at nightlife and all, and the youngsters are the one who can take you to the n number of places
Yep.
and few like hidden gems. Like it is not that
Yeah,
famous,
yeah.
but it has the vibe which we require.
Hidden gems.
Yeah.
I hope the dates went well for you.
Yeah, like fewer and fewer. Okay, like basically, I just wanted to go around
Just to
with.
talk to local people.
Yeah,
you know, like,
exactly.
this is
Just to connect because
another part of tourism, I guess. Yeah.
yeah, because here generally people have their dinner by 6,
Yep.
and we as an Indian we have a dinner by 10, 11.
Really? That's
Yeah.
super late.
Yeah, and like people sleep by 9 because generally I ask them to meet after 9. So they are like, it's too late. I was like, dude, it's our dinner time. So how is so late for? Then later I got to know, okay, like the life in Kazakhstan starts early, super early.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
So I was like,
Early birds.
okay, fair enough. The
So you
things.
should keep in mind that we're Asians. You know, we're like, I don't know, that's the Asian thing. We wake up early, you know, go to bed early, that type of stuff.
So that's why I'm only having 2 hours sleep.
Oh. Right.
Well, I think you had the most fun out of everybody, and
Yeah, I guess.
And we had,
I guess.
we had is just keeping quiet because she knows everything about Kazakhstan already.
I don't want to say anything more.
Yeah, she got quiet when we talked about the dating apps. She was like, oh, I'm here for the second time, so I don't want to expose myself. We're not gonna.
Where's the
expose
shopping mall?
We're not gonna expose Wehad. It's okay. She has shopping apps. That's it. Yeah.
Cool. All right. Thank you guys for being with us. That was Jetil Podcast back again today with special guests Wehad and Kunal. Thank you guys for being with us today, sharing your experience traveling across Kazakhstan here in Almaty.
Yep.
That was nice talking to you again. And Aidos.
All right. Yeah. That's
good,
it
bro?
for Jetil Podcast and Visit Almaty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for
Special
the
thanks
chance.
for
Thank you,
Almaty.
Wehad. Thank you, Kunal.
Yeah.
It was
Thank you,
pleasure meeting
everyone.
you guys.
Thank you
You
so
know,
much
fun.
for hosting us.
Absolutely.
All right.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
See you soon at the next episodes.
Yes.
Bye.
Okay, bye.